Hello, VR enthusiasts. Welcome to VictoryXR Academy. So, as you should have received in your email, your invitation to VXR Nexus. Now, Nexus is one of the two logins that you will need in order to access our Academy resources. Here in this Nexus email, it describes which kind of account access you've received. It will also direct you with some screenshots to the two the two current features we have available as of April 2023. Those two features are here screenshotted. You'll be able to access them all. It has a link so that you can save that, and it also is letting you know that you're going to receive an invitation to engage. It's the platform on which our Academy assets are hosted. That being said, that will be your second login, which I will demonstrate in just 1 minute. So, to reiterate, this is the first step in your journey toward the Academy. You receive access to VXR Nexus, and you're prompted down here at the very bottom to create your login. Select Create Your Login, fill out your information, and you should be ready to go.